Hello everyone, welcome to this new video of classes and objects. So in this OOPS concept which we were learning, we are now going to learn about the new concept, that is method overriding. Okay, so earlier we have gone through the concepts of inheritances, we have gone through the concept of classes, objects. So now let us now see what is method overriding and how does we implement it. Okay, so before discussing about method overriding, we definitely need to know what is it actually. So whenever we are creating a class or we are defining some methods, what we are doing, we are actually defining the logical part of the class. So we are defining how will a particular method will execute, how it is going to work, right? So now when it goes with the concept of inheritance, so we know the inheritance concept, there are two or more classes involved depending upon the type of inheritance we are going to work on. So for example, let me just show you, let me just create a class test over here. So I've created this class test, and there are onshore we have two classes. This is one class and this is two class. Okay, it's class number second. So can I say that this will be, I will be using this class as the parent class, and to this class I will be using it as the child class. It simply means I am going to use single inheritance for now, to just make sure you'll understand the concept of method overriding. So because this is a child class and this is a parent class, to establish a relationship between the two, we will be using the extends keyword, and the extend keywords is using the test class, right? So now, if the test class is being used is the parent class of this child class, right? So now what we are going to do? It simply means whatsoever elements will be present in the test class will be inherited in the test demo class, correct? So I'll be taking some variables in it. Num1 is equal to say 3, num2 is equal to 4. Okay, apart from this, so these are the instance variables for now, right? These are the instance variables. And now, because these are the instance variables, they can also be inherited in the test demo class if I want to use them. Now I will be creating simply a method, that is void sum method, and I will be printing a statement over here. Okay, we are doing with the sum method, so I will be adding up these two variables, num1 plus num2. So this is my method definition, where I am simply adding up these two numbers. Okay, so if I just want to execute it, let me just execute it by creating the object of the test class, and or even if I don't want to execute, if I don't want to create the object of it, let me show you all the variations. So I will be creating the object of this test class first, and after that I will be executing this sum method like this. So I have executed the sum method and it's just showing me the correct answer, right? So now I will not be working on with the test class. Now test demo class का object बना देते हैं. Again test dot sum. Okay, again the same. This is because this is your child class, right? So child class is inheriting all the properties of the test class which has been provided to it. Now what if, so child class currently is using this concept, right? I will also be just printing up a message for the clear vision, like this. So currently this child class is implementing this method, right? What if the child class itself, because child class was using the parents sum method for now, what if child class will also define a method with the same structure? Can it? Yes, it can. It can, because it's the same structure as that of it, but only I will change the logical part of it. That is, I will change the statement so that this is your test demo class. Okay, This is your test demo class, plus I will be doing what? I will be changing its operation, so that we will exactly know now, because the parent class has something else definition and the child class has something else definition. What means, what matters to me most is the structure of the methods is same, correct? So this child class's object, which method it is going to execute, that is the main concern. Is it going to execute this method or it is going to execute this method? Let us check it now. It is going to execute child class's own method. So it has multiplied it, and 3 4 is 12. It has not given us the answer 7. So how does it take place? Because the first preference is always given to the local. Because this was the local method, this was the method of its own class, therefore it has executed it. Number 1 point. Number 2 point, because this test demo class was internally having two methods of the same structure, that is void sum and void sum. So what it has actually done, it has overridden the definition of this sum method and executed it. Therefore this is called as method overriding. Okay, I hope you guys understand the concept. Thank you very much.